Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome to my channel Crochet Best. I hope you all, my friend, is well. Today, I will show you a very beautiful long leggings. This long leggings is very colorful and so beautiful. This leggings is made a crochet work. This leggings is made of wool thread and cotton thread. It's so colorful and so beautiful. This is so beautiful leggings. You can use this long leggings in short and skirts. You can wear this leggings is going to parties and anywhere. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. You can see my videos and catch the ideas and make this long leggings. This designs is very beautiful. Some leggings is summer and some you can use it's winter. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. If you like my videos, please share and give me the comments. I wait for your comments. Thank you, friends. Bye. Take care.